Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete columns in Elementor. This is a fundamental skill when you're building or restructuring your WordPress pages, allowing you to remove unwanted sections and streamline your layout efficiently. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the control center where you manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools necessary for editing your pages with Elementor. Next, navigate to Pages and click on All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages you've created on your website. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific page you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This action launches the Elementor Page Builder, giving you a visual interface to work with your page elements directly. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, you need to locate the column you want to delete. Columns in Elementor are the building blocks of your page structure, and identifying the right one is crucial. Look for the section containing the column you wish to remove. You'll notice that each column has a 6-dotted line icon, typically visible when you hover over the column area. This icon represents the column handle and is your access point for managing that particular column. Once you've located the column, right-click on the 6-dotted line icon. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for managing the column. The context menu is a quick way to access various editing functions without navigating through multiple menus. From the context menu that appears, simply click Delete. This immediately removes the column from your page layout. The deletion is instant, and you'll see your page structure adjust accordingly to fill the space left by the removed column. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a column in Elementor. This straightforward process gives you complete control over your page structure, allowing you to refine and perfect your design as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.